When drivers start exploring vehicle protection, one of the first questions they ask is simple: how much does an endurance plan cost? The short answer is there's no single price that fits every driver. Every vehicle is different, which is why endurance plans are customizable. Our coverage experts ask a few questions about your vehicle and how you drive, then guide you through coverage options to help find the plan that fits your needs. Supreme is our most popular plan and offers the highest level of protection available through Endurance. It's similar to a factory warranty because it covers nearly all mechanical and electrical systems in your vehicle, helping protect you from repair costs that can quickly add up to the thousands. For older or higher mileage vehicles, our Secure Plus plan focuses on protecting the most vital systems, offering an affordable way to help manage repair costs as vehicles age. And for drivers who want added everyday value, our Advantage plan combines breakdown protection with maintenance benefits, helping cover services like oil changes, brake pads, and more. Repair costs are rising, and even a single breakdown can cost thousands. That's why Endurance helps protect you from unexpected expenses with customizable coverage, flexible terms, affordable monthly payments, and low deductibles to help keep out-of-pocket costs manageable when covered repairs occur. No matter your vehicle or budget, our coverage experts can help you find the right plan. You can also get a free fast quote online. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.
Drive on